Right, so Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Making Change Project. Magandang tanghali sa lahat ng delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yung Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay, it's a Thursday at nandito tayo sa Plaza Hotel sa ano na to Hotel Kyoto or Cafe Kyoto, something like that. Okay. Anyway, so this morning, this afternoon, I want to leave a challenge sa lahat ng mga tingin ko pwedeng magkaroon ng increase of income. So, sa lahat ng mga may unique knowledge or merong expertise, meron tayong pwedeng gawin. Okay? So, it's just like converting your expertise into income, into extra money. So, your expertise into extra money. Okay? So, yan yung di-discuss natin. Paano ba yun, Doc? Anong gagawin? Okay? Ngayon kasi, there is one, I already mentioned this in one of my vlogs, pero ngayon, gusto ko siyang bigyan na emphasis. One of the booming industry now is the knowledge industry. So, ito yung you're giving information, you are sharing your expertise to other people, and then you get paid. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm in knowledge industry, so I do seminars like this Saturday. Nasa Bulacan tayo. Hello po dyan sa Bulacan, sa isang private school. Then I'm doing coaching, business coaching and life coaching na rin. Then I do my YouTube channel wherein I share content about business, investment, and positive mindset. So these are the things that I'm doing in the knowledge industry. Then people, of course, are paying me for a certain amount. Depende po yun. So kung online, at least 5K po ang online coaching natin. So doon sa mga nagpapa-coach, sinasabi ko na po sa inyo para hindi kayo mabigla. Okay. Then for personal coaching naman, we have a minimum of 10,000. 10,000. Depende po sa layo nyo. Manila is 20K po tayo. Okay? So, yan yung rate natin. Then, speaking natin, so, depende yan sa distance din natin. Alright? So, depende din sa nature of company and sa nature ng, or sa content. Alright? So, yan yung knowledge industry. And lahat ng yan, ang pinaguhugutan ko po is my knowledge, my expertise in the different fields. Like, yun nga, sabi ko Saturday, may seminar ako, it's on school setting. So, my expertise as a principal, as the Dean of College of Education and Academic Affairs. So, yun yung isi-share natin. Alright? So, sa vlog naman, like, my experiences with different businesses na nakapartner natin, nakausap natin, yung mga best practices nila. So, yan na sinishare natin. Alright? So, yun yung ating isa sa mga major sources of income natin ngayon. Okay? So, this afternoon, delivers if you have this expertise in any field. Okay? So, in any field like in sports. So, kung matagal ka na into sports, coach ka na dyan, trainer ka na, di ba? So, that's one. Sports. Pwede rin sa mga other field like kung sa academic, like meron kang, you know, major mo is science, maths, or any field na pang-academic, so that's one. Okay? Or if you have business na nagtagumpay na, so mapapatunayan mo na sarili mo na I can do this, Doc, kaya ko kasi meron akong business, you're running a successful business. Or if you have an investment na nagtagumpay ka, tingin mo okay naman siya, like real estate investment, so yun siya. Okay, so yung mga expertise na pwede mong i-share. Okay, in other industry like food industry, di ba, marketing, selling, sales, closing deals, so marami kung saan ka expert. Okay, so depende kasi yan sa'yo kung ano yung meron kang expertise or meron kang knowledge. So ang gagawin natin, okay, gagawa tayo ng isang package. Okay, so gagawin mo lang isang package, so ibebenta natin siya to enter the knowledge industry. Okay, so paano yung Doc D? Anong gagawin mo? It's either you will start your own YouTube channel. Okay, marami sa atin gusto magkaroon ng YouTube channel, pero ang first question nila, Doc, ano ilalagay ko sa YouTube ko? What will be my content? So ang content mo dyan, yun yung expertise mo, yun na share mo. That's how I start. I started sharing my expertise in I wrote a book kasi, How to Embrace Transformation. Since I'm a Sunday school teacher, so senior ko doon is about more on biblical area or spiritual area. So, yun yung una kong gustong i-share. Then, eventually, nag-shift na tayo into business, into investment, life coaching na tayo. So, you can have your own YouTube channel. Doon mo siya i-share. Dok, di paano naman ako mag-earn ng pera dyan? Because YouTube will be paying you, Google will be paying you if you reach certain requirements, okay? So second, paano ka ba mababayaran dyan? So aside from creating your own YouTube channel, you can be a coach. Diba? Pwede kang coach, academic coach. Pwede kang business coach. It's like what I'm doing. Pwede kang life coach. Or industry-related coach. Kung ano man yung industry na kinalalagyan mo, pwede kang maging coach, okay? So you just have to market yourself. Parang iba-brand mo lang yung sarili mo as a coach. So you'll just be doing some steps. Yan ang tinuturo ko sa ating ang tawag dito 6-month masterclass. So on how to become a coach and a speaker, okay? So may mga certain steps tayo dyan. Then you'll be get paid, sabi ko kanina, kaya nagsabi ako ng amount kanina para malaman nyo din na ito pala yung pwedeng kitain as a coach. So pwede naman hindi 5K. When I started, ang bayad lang sa akin is 500, 700. Kaya lang naisip ko, sabi ko, I'm doing my research, tapos I'm spending my time sa online, 1 hour yun. Minsan, more than 1 hour. So, gusto kong, mabayaran siya ng tama. Kasi, very precious na sa akin yung time eh. So, yun yung, so you get paid, depende sa'yo. So, ang suggestion ko sa mga nagpapacoach sa akin na how to become a coach, siguro pwedeng 2,000 muna. So, online 1 hour. So, while you are developing your craft, improving your craft, okay? Huwag naman agad 5K, ako lang yon. Okay, so ayun, you can be a coach and pwede siyang personal, okay? So you can meet personal. So iba naman ang income mo pag personal kasi you have expenses, then mas mahaba yung time na i-spend mo, like travel hour mo. Tsaka pag personal kasi, pag personal coaching, medyo hindi naman enough yung 1 hour. Minsan sa akin, ang nakalat sa akin 2 hours or 1.5 kasi since personal, iba yung atake mo dyan kasi maraming kumustahan, maraming excitement, maraming emotions. Kaya mas maganda talaga kung personal, kung kaya nung client mo na magkita kayo, diba? So you can meet somewhere sa tahimik na lugar like this. Ganito, ang sarap mag-coach dito. Kung may mga papo-coach po dito tayo sa Plaza Hotel. So very conducive for coaching, for intimate conversation, okay? So aside from being a coach, you can become a speaker, okay? So I think hindi mo na pwedeng iwalay yan eh. Ako, I started as speaker, then I end up being a coach, okay? So pwede kang knowledge industry pa rin yan. So you can be a speaker, so pwede kang pagawa ng poster mo, i-announce mo, i-market yourself as a speaker about the content, about values ba, about leadership, about management, about marketing, about business startup. So depende, or e-course or anything na pwede kaya mong i-share. So you can market yourself as a speaker and then you'll get paid, okay? So Doc, magkano naman ang charge? When I started again, actually yung una kong speaking engagement, ang bayad lang nila sa akin, prutas lang. Buko, papaya. Yun lang talaga binayad sa akin sa layo ng pinuntahan ko. Pero it's okay kasi masaya eh, may experience mo yon. Hindi pa wala, parang second data siya. Yung una kasi sa akin, may utang pa hanggang ngayon, magbayad na po kayo. Nakakatuwa kasi sabi nila, bibigyan nila sa isang coffee shop na naman binigay sa akin. So hanggang ngayon, nasaan na ba kayo? May pautang pa si Doc, diba? So okay lang yon, ganun talaga eh. So kaya nga, I learned my lesson. Bago ka magpunta sa isang seminar, pag-usapan na yung fee. So this is my fee. Sabihin mo na agad na ito yung fee ko. Just be open for negotiation kasi minsan baka yun lang yung budget nila. Like, pag merong nag-invite sa atin, so Doc, ito lang budget namin. So ang tingin ko, okay naman, makapag-share ako, it's okay. Okay? Basta wag lang tayo malulugi. Diba? Okay, so yun. Alright? Kasi meron akong assistant, meron akong driver, may sakyan tayo na ginagamit. So may expenses kasi tayo. Okay, so kung dito lang naman, like ako, kung di na ako lalayo ng Bataan, at least kung 2 hours, pwede na 10 or 15K. Kung 2 hours, okay? So kung malayo naman, may team ako, so medyo, hindi pwedeng 10K. Depende nga yan, okay? So, yun yung pwede mo pang gawin, okay? So, yun yung, sabi ko na, yung expertise mo, pwede mong i-convert into extra income, okay? Yung specialist skills mo, pwede kang magkaroon ng income. Kasi maraming tao, napaka-knowledgeable sa isang area, pero wala lang, nandun lang siya. It stays in your brain, di ba? So, why don't you share it? Di ba? I-share mo sa ibang tao, makakatulong ka pa, makamotivate ka ng tao, and at the same time, you're earning money. Kasi sabi ko nga, it's a gift. It's a talent. Binigay ni Lord sa atin yan, di ba? So, since binigay ni Lord sa atin yan, diyan niya dadaan kasing blessing. Sabi ko nga sa isa sa mga kausap ko yesterday, I had a meeting. Sabi ko, alam mo yung skill mo, yung talent mo, diyan papadaan ni Lord yung blessing. Kaya kailangan gamitin mo, di ba? So, ganon, diyan tayo magkakaroon ng extra income. Okay? So, again, sa lahat ng delivers natin, tingin mo you have this something na expert ka, kahit sa field. Okay? So, I can help you. Pwede tayong mag-coach. Okay? So, para ma-package natin sarili mo, maayos natin, di ba, how to become a speaker, a coach, a vlogger, so something like that. Okay? Alright, so just message me sa lahat ng gustong magpa-coach on how to be in the knowledge industry. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago o tumula natin buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go.